Those who have not performed well in TISNET 2022 examination, it's high time to take the revenge. Revenge in terms of the selection in TISNET 2023 examination. So whatever mistake you have done in the year 2022, do not repeat those mistakes. So hi guys, those who are targeting for TISNET 2023 and written this exam TISNET 2022, so I hope you must be aware of कि अपना selection होगा कि नहीं होगा, score बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा. और those who have just written the exam, shake off experience. To all of them, this is my strong advice. टिस 2023 को लेकर के फोकस हो जाओ अभी से. सो करंटली मार्च इज ऑन गोइंग एंड जैन फेब आपका एग्जाम टाइमलाइन पकड़ के चलो. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यू नो द डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द क्वेश्चन एंड एट व्हाट लेवल प्रिपरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो दोज यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू रिपीट द एग्जाम टिसनेट 2023 अगर आप टारगेट कर रहे हो, so this is what the success path I recommend you people to follow. So first of all, clarity of the goal, whichever courses you are targeting for. flagship course target कर रहे हो HRM या तो फिर ODCL के लिए जा रहे हो, then competition will be much more higher. So looking at competition and your chances of selection, this clarity has to be there that I need one seat in Mumbai campus for these courses. Or if you're targeting for non-HRM or the ODCL courses, then accordingly campus and score wise clarity has to be there. Then comes your determination, which is nothing but hard working with passion. So when I say passion का मतलब when you are preparing तो ये burden नहीं होना चाहिए यार इतना topic इतने section prepare करने हैं. Also you should have a proper road map, proper strategy. one topic को आराम से finish करना चालू करो and enjoy your preparation. So determination is important because people have started their preparation since December 2021. So from this you can understand how much pre-planning people have done. So as of now, as I mentioned, March is ongoing. So kickstart your preparation, don't delay your preparation. This hard work is there, roadmap is there, strategy is there, proper guidance is there, then definitely we will achieve our TISS goal. So once again, those who have written TISNET 2022, काफ़ी clarity होगी आपको preparation को लेकर के. And you know the competition and level of question which came this year in GK. GK was tough this year. If you have attended all the live class or the classroom session and you followed all the guidelines, definitely maths का section easy था, English was easy, manageable था. But GK was no doubt it was game changer. So competition high है, right? But we don't need to worry about this competition because we just need one seat in TIS campus. Whichever campuses you are targeting for Mumbai, Guwahati, Tuljapur or Hyderabad, or for whichever courses, you have to see what score required and accordingly start your preparation. So as I keep on saying, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So don't wish कि मेरा TIS में selection हो जाएगा and when it's come to the determination तो वो अपना अभी start ही नहीं हुआ है. तो ये विश करना बंद करो एंड टेक द एक्शन, टेक द प्लानिंग पार्ट एंड स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द सेम. और सो एट मैन्यूअर TISNET 2023 and 24 examination batches we have launched. So both the batches are there. There is a live class and there is a classroom also. If you are Mumbai based, you can check out our the other Borivali and Vasai center for the classroom coaching. And for live class online program, you can call on 8828581455. And if you want call back from our team, the free counseling link I have mentioned in the description. You can fill your details. Our team will call you back and give the brief information regarding your preparation, regarding your batches, and these are the complete curriculum which you will be getting for your preparation. The best part is mentorship because every year we write the exam just to understand what kind of a question, what is the difficulty level of the paper coming up. So accordingly we modify our curriculum, teaching methodology and add the same type of the question in your mock test also. And in case if you want to join us for the test series online program mock test, log on to manuedu.com/testentrance. So guys, this year make sure you should get selected without fail because we cannot afford to invest one more year for our test preparation. You have already experienced the exam and so you know what kind of a preparation is required. So follow your instinct, prepare well. All the very best. Thank you.